we're starting to bring more automation. So we're going down Power Automate, Power Apps, automation, low code. That's going to be something that's going to tremendously change PMO offices. I have a process right now where we're looking across all of our 100 projects, all the risks, all the issues, all the actions, all the decisions. With Power Automate and Power Apps, we can start getting some of that delivered to us, right? So you're going to start seeing low code just blow up, because how many companies are Microsoft-based companies? 90, 95%, which means they're going to go down the Power Apps, Power Automate, and get that data delivered to you compared to going to look for it, which gives you predictive analytics, not lagging, right? So you want to be in front of your data for decision making. So those are some of the things that I'm seeing in the next 5 years.